Welcome to our channel today, and this morning we are going to learn about how you can design quality and professional business cards. So remember that business cards are a way that you can represent your product, your services, the business that you are doing to your audience, to your target audience that includes your friends, your partners, investors, even those whom you'd like to understand everything about your business. So today we are going to see how can you be able to design such quality business cards. For instance, you can go with this design, just a random example, and we are going to look at how can we be able to design such a quality business card. So as you can see on this business card, we have a black background, we have text, and then we have shapes. These can be circular shapes. So we are going to look at how can we be able to design such a business card. So the software we are going to use is called Canva. Canva is a very good design software. So that's what we are going to work with today. So here is Canva. So remember, what we want to do is to design such a business card. So we'll type there in these templates. We type up here business card. So Canva is a free software available on the internet. You can be able to design very good publications with Canva, but if you want to enjoy the best templates, you can actually go for premium, whereby you can pay for it. So here are samples of business cards, but we are not going to use these samples. There are samples you can edit that are for free, and there are samples that are premium. So what I'll do, I'm going to create a new one. So as you can see, we are trying to design something similar to this. We can see these are a combination of shapes, text, and also some objects. So like we have this colored background, then we have this yellow shape. So the first thing we do on this page, we make it color black. I'll click on that page, it will bring me this background color up there, and I go for it and pick black. So I'll scroll down and choose color black. So we have black color. The next thing I need to put these circular rings. As you can see, they are here, 3 of them. So I'll go back to my business card, and then I click elements and say circles. So circle, I'll go for graphical. Graphical will give me these circles. As you can see, it's here. So I'll pick it slowly, drop it at the center. There. So I'm going to look at the center. That's the center. I'll make it quite bigger. And then position it at the center. So this same shape, I'm going to right click and duplicate it. Sorry, I deleted. So right click, duplicate. We have it there. And then duplicate once again, and we have this other shape right there. So what about the color of the shape? So I click that and give it maybe this color. I should have gone for this shape so that we can get the color. So I click there, scroll and find the color. Click on the shape, bring it forward, layer, I say forward. This one, I take it back, layer, I send backward. When I pick these other shapes, I give them the same color as the one that we have in our design. So here are the business card. This one I can give it slightly a different color. Maybe that one. So as you can see, we are almost designing something similar to what we have here. So here are the shapes. I didn't find the color perfectly well. Maybe we can work now more on the color. And work more on this color. So I'll go for this color. If I don't see the color that I want, I can be able to create the color that we need. So let's say the color we need is almost look at it again. Let me go for that for now. Select this one, also give it a color structure. So that is the first section. The next section is now to put these details. As you can see here, we have a mailbox. So we go there and say email icon. We are going to get a graphical element of an email icon. This one here, pick it, come with it, then drop it there. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to redesign it so that it fits in that section, just like the design. So that's the email icon. Then we go for another icon. That is a phone icon, mobile. Graphics, still an element, so I'll go and pick this as mobile. Also this one, I'm going to make it smaller. Then I bring it also at the center there. This one also I'll make it a little bit smaller so that we have enough space for design. What else do we have? We have the location icon. So I'll click there and say location. The location graphical, we have it right here. So I'll hold it also, take it slowly. There we have it. So that is the location. And also make it a little bit smaller. Perfect. So this is just an example of the business card that we are designing. So the next thing that I have now is to put some text box. So I'll click text. What text do we have? The name of the business owner and the is role. So I'll click text box, I hold the text box, I bring it here. This text box, I can make it color white so that I can be able to see what I'm typing. So now it is color white. So I'm going to type my name. And then the position. Artificial intelligence consultant. So that's an example of what we are designing with. So that is what I'm going to work with. I can further edit this text. So I'll click on the text and go to effects. Effects, I can go for any of this, maybe background, which type of background. You can go for black to make it more visible. So as you can see now, it is much better in terms of visibility. I can also change the color of the lower text. So I'll click color and go for a color that can be more visible. Let me see which one is more visible on this card. Maybe that one. So what I need now is a logo for the company. So I'll click there and then here I can say maybe artificial intelligence. Then I'll get a graphical representing artificial intelligence. We'll go for one of these. These are just icons representing artificial intelligence. So I'll pick one from here. Maybe I'll go with this one and put it there. I can also format these to fit this color. So I'll click there and then I can edit it. different designs. Down here we have different designs. You can see all of them. Here are examples. You can pick which one is better managed with all this. Maybe you can go with which one. Maybe you can go with this one. Yep. So that one not very bad. So I can go with that one. So here you can see some of the changes on our business card. Okay. Once again, I can also make this a little bit smaller. Okay. Or I can change. Instead of using that, you can go for this one. Looks much better. With a fingerprint-like design. Which color? You can go for a color similar to this, so that I bring consistency and uniformity in my design. So what I am remaining with is text box for this. So here I'll go again for text. Under text I'm going to click on this, let me go with this lower text. Then email, you can write David Kenya@gmail.com can be the email address. Okay. Right click, duplicate, bring it here. Then I make it a little bit smaller. Too small. Location, and say current Canva. That's location for the company. Okay. Duplicate also that phone number and put it there. And say maybe 0700000. That's just random design we're doing. So that's our business card. What about the back page? So I'll add a new page. So this is going to be the back page for our design. So remember, we have a front page and now the back page. Back page, I can put now a photo representing that entire business we're doing. So I'll click there and say artificial intelligence. I want a photo to be the background of our card. Which type of photo? I'll click here and say I need a landscape. There is horizontal. So it will show me a horizontal type of photo. So I'll pick one from here. Which one? Let me go for this one. Slowly, I'll bring it and drop it. So it will cover the entire space. So once I do that, I can now click on share. And then I click on this download. I can be able to download as a picture or PDF for printing. So for now I'll do as a PDF for printing. And then I say download. So I'm going to see the type of design that we've made. So already it has downloaded. So let's see our design. So I'm going to click on these three dots on my browser. Then I click download. Download, you can see it here. So I'll just click on it and it is going to open. Still downloading. Load is here. It's here. So we're going to see what we have designed. Let's wait for a few minutes. Let's see how we design business card. Okay. So once you design the front page and back page, the next thing you do is to actually so here is our download. Here is our download. So as you can see, these are the two pages, the front page and the back page. Okay, so let's see how quality it is. So as you can see now, you have a business card whereby this is the front page and then this is the back page. So the next thing you need to do is just print it and you will have quality business card, just as what we have on these pages. So next time, if you have internet and Wi-Fi, don't just sit down, try to learn designing using which application? Canva. Make sure you use Canva. It's a free application. Okay? And if you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Through that, you'll be able to learn more on different types of design. Thank you so much for your time and see you on the next